Hello everybody, in this video we'll be solving the 29th problem of Project Euler. If we have two variables, a and b, and they range from 2 to 100, how much possibilities are there of a to the power of b? So we'll write a quick simple algorithm to find the amount of unique possibilities. So if we have two loops within each other, and if n is a to the power of b, and then if we use this quick code to add to the list, but not if it's already in the list, and then if we print out the amount of terms there are in this list, it's 9,183, which is indeed correct. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.